Cooking with Tom this afternoon. Today we're going to use three different tools by Pampered Chef. One of them is the Pampered Chef Quick Chop, the Pampered Chef Ladle, and the Pampered Chef, get the correct name here, Measure All Cup. Now, what we're making is a copycat recipe that is something that I personally love, and it's an Outback copycat honey mustard dressing. Now, since I am on a health restricted diet and I try to eat as much stuff as natural, I came across this. I substituted the products to be more of the vegetarian type products instead of using store-bought dressings and mixes. So this one's very simple, only 3 ingredients. First off, we have the Pampered Chef cutting board that I use as my base. I have the Pampered Chef 4-cup mixing pouring bowl. I use this quite a bit. Actually, I store my dressing in this. So I've already measured out 2 cups of vegan mayonnaise. It's avocado based and much more healthier than your regular mayonnaises that are made with oils and things like that. This one's made from avocado. So got 2 cups of that. Then I'm going to put in a half a cup of Dijon mustard. And I forgot my one little tool here. This is the mini Pampered Chef spatula. And if you're wondering why I'm sitting, is I am dealing with some gout right now. I'm off work today and was in quite a bit of pain, but recovered pretty good this afternoon, so I could make these videos. Like I said, using a half a cup of Dijon mustard here. I prefer Dijon mustard over regular mustard. It gives it more the accurate taste of that is more like the copycat or more like the Outback Steak House. So I got this measured at a half a cup. So all I do is put that in there, push the top, comes right out. Got a little excess there. And now I'm going to do 3/4 of a cup or 2/3 of a cup of honey. I like to use pure, locally grown honey. Much better for you. Helps with your immunity systems. Those 2/3 of a cup. Push that in there, scrape that off, set this aside. Now I'm going to take my chopper. I use it as my little mini mixer instead of having to get out the electronic tools and mix things up. Stick this in the sink. I'm spinning this around a few times, stirring it. Make sure I get all the sides. by spinning it like a mixer, it gets all the ingredients at the bottom also, stirs them up. Yeah, just a nice little thing I found using the mini chop. Don't have to use it just for frying meat and cooking. I use it, like I said, as a mixer. Just kind of gets everything all mixed in really well without me having to get the mixer out. Everything's dishwasher safe. Just give it one last go around here with the spatula. Now I've made enough dressing now that'll last me quite a while. It's a lot cheaper than buying dressing, and much healthier for you also, since there's only 3 ingredients that are pretty much all natural. I used the natural honey, the vegan style mayonnaise, and the Dijon mustard. So for me, it's much healthier. I pretty much eat salads every day as part of my diet, and I find this I like the best. One thing with mixing the dressing is I want to refrigerate it overnight to get the best flavor. So I'll put a piece of saran wrap over the top and stick it in the refrigerator and start using it tomorrow. Again, this is Cooking with Tom, independent pampered chef consultant, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, please drop me a note. Like I said before, we are looking for men to join Pampered Chef, and there's a lot of men that cook, a lot of men that come up with their own recipes, and you know, we have our own special groups through Pampered Chef, and especially on Facebook. So look us up and join also. Click on the link and join our Facebook group, called our VIP Facebook group called For the Love. And hopefully you'll find that this was a little bit entertaining, and we'll see you next time. Good night.